Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khalid Masood Kareem. In this weekly video tutorial, I will share technical aspects and techniques of top volume leaders of the Karachi Stock Exchange. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell. The Karachi Stock Exchange 100 Index closed at 45,868 level on January 22, 2021. The weekly closing is slightly below the projected weekly pivot level of 45,876 level. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 47,089 and 44,463 respectively. Technically, the index may remain in sideways mode, as long it trades within the resistance and support zone. The K Electric closed at 4.11 level on January 22, 2021. The closing is below the weekly pivot level of 4.19. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 5 and 3 respectively. Technically, the stock is in sideways trend. The TRG had closed at 106.92 level on January 22, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 102.83. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 111.45 and 87.30 respectively. Technically, the stock is likely to continue its upside journey. The HUMNL network closed at 7.19 level on January 22, 2021. The closing is below the weekly pivot level of 7.27. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 9 and 5 respectively. Technically, the stock may remain sideways. The viewers are suggested to view the last week's technical analysis of this stock. The Fauji Foods had closed at 19.15 level on January 22, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 18.57. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 21.79 and 17.60. Technically, the stock is likely to test the overhead resistance. The Unity Foods has closed at 32.94 level on January 22, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 32.38. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 36.60 and 28.90 respectively. Technically, the stock may undergo a choppy trend. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.